With Kubota's Stage 5 engine, noise, vibration and fuel consumption have been minimized. Refillable and serviceable components are in easy-to-reach areas, offering easy serviceability. The hydraulic hoses are tucked above the joint between the boom and digging arm to prevent any unnecessary damages, reducing the chances of the hoses catching. A two-piece hose design reduces replacement time by 60% compared to non-joint types, eliminating the need to dismantle the machine for repairs. The KX030-4 has one of the biggest cabs within its class, providing a spacious and user-friendly interior cab design, focusing on operators' comfort and visibility, while providing a large amount of foot space. Continuing to use the proven Kubota anti-theft system. Grease gun storage behind a lockable door. The excavator wiring harness is ready to accommodate orange beacon lights. An easily accessible mounted battery, fuel cap and fuel buzzer for quick and easy refueling. Fully opening access door, providing easy access for maintenance and inspection of the engine bay. An easy to look at and easy to operate display screen. Simplistic gas assist opening mechanism for the front window allows for effortless use. LED work lights are fitted as standard, providing a wide range of visibility in dark working conditions. The excavator arm has a reach of 4.8 meters and a digging depth of 2.8 meters. Two front and two rear tie-down points make transportation more secure and simplistic.